So then we move on to the child. So this is the stage you guys are at now. You are learning to be independent, which means there are more things you can do on your own. Have a think about now and pause the video. What can you do on your own now that you need help with? Now, an important part of this stage is starting school. So this stage is full of lots of changes and children learn to do lots of things such as reading, writing, counting, riding a bike or swimming. If you can think of any things that you do now or you are learning to do, whether it be in school, I know obviously we can't do clubs at the moment, what clubs would you normally go to? What different things do you learn about? So then we move on to the teenager. So the teenage stage is from ages 13 to 19. So teenagers are getting ready to be adults and are becoming independent. So again, that word independent means you are doing things on your own. So teenagers' bodies change a lot during this stage. They get taller and start to look more like adults. These changes are because of things called hormones. Alright, so that was one of the vocab words that we were looking at. Hormones. Hormones are things that are inside your body that make your body change. Because they are growing so quickly, some teenagers eat a lot. Many teenagers like to sleep for a very long time. And some teenagers can be a bit grumpy as well. So do you know any, have a think about now, if you know any teenagers. Do you have any older brothers or sisters? Do you have cousins? What are they like? What do they do?